so you're going to draw some flowers.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's to celebrate Mother's Day.
Yes.
And we're going to draw 3 pots, and each pot will have a letter of mom, M-O-M. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use markers. You also need some?
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're using marker paper also because we're drawing with markers. This helps make our markers last longer. But you can use whatever you have, like pencils or even crayons for this lesson. Let's start by drawing the top of our flower pots. And we're trying to divide the pots up evenly. So we're going to draw a line right here in the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw it right about here. And I'm going to draw it kind of short so that I have room for the other pots. Nice. And you could also add a little bit maybe on the other side to center it. And then we're going to leave a little space, and then we're going to draw another line over here. And we want this one to match. We're just using our eyes to measure, but if you want, you could use a ruler. That looks awesome. Okay, then let's repeat that same step for our third flower pot over here. Another fun thing you can do is once you've done this freehand and measured with your eyes, you can use a ruler to see how close you are. Okay, let's draw 2 short lines down on each pot. Then we're going to connect the bottom of these so that we have 3 rectangle shapes. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the pot. We're going to draw more, or 2 more lines coming straight down. You could also tip them in a little bit more so that they get closer towards the bottom. But now we're going to repeat that same step for each flower pot. And we want them to be the same length so that they're the same height. Nice. Then we can connect the bottom, and we should have, mine look like squares. And we should have 3 squares or 3 more shapes for the pots. Nice. Now what should we draw?
The flower.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's draw the middle one first. I'm going to draw a tulip, and I'm going to draw the letter U. Oh, let's do all of them. I'm going to draw another letter U, and I'm going to try to match the same size. Well, that's a little taller. That's okay if they're a little different. Well, and this one's a little wider. All 3 of them are different. That's okay. We're practicing, right?
Yes.
Nice. And then one more. Awesome. Now let's draw the petals. We're going to draw a diagonal line connecting. And then we can draw a diagonal line coming down, a shorter one. Let's change the direction on this one. We'll draw the long diagonal line going the other direction so that we have the short one on the other side. And then we can do the same thing over here. We could pick whichever way you want. I'm going to do it this way. Now let's draw the center of our tulip. I'm going to draw an upside down letter V inside of each tulip. I love drawing tulips like this. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's draw the stem. We're going to draw 2 lines coming down right next to each other for each flower. Now let's draw the leaf. And for tulips, they start usually down at the bottom, come up really tall, and then we'll come down and connect. Let's do the same thing, except I'm going to draw the flower or the leaf on this side. And this one, I'm going to draw also this way. I couldn't decide. And, oh, we could also draw another one. I'm going to draw another leaf on this side, too. Oh, let's do it on all of them. All right. Changed my mind. What are we missing on our drawing?
The letters.
Yeah, let's do it. I'm going to add the letter M on this one, the letter O for the middle, and another M for the last one. We finished drawing our flowers, except we still need to
color it.
Yes, my favorite part. We are going to speed things up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. And we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our flowers for Mother's Day. Turned out so cool. I especially love yours, Hadley.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Do you think Mom's gonna like it too?
Yes.
I think so. You can pause the video right now to match your same coloring, or
you can color it any way you want.
yeah.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Mother's Day flowers with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.